the human condition. All of the elements inside human existence, including birth, death, and the moral conflicts that happen along the way. That makes most people's lives. But there is one more I see for people struggling with multiple sclerosis. While it may be the same things before that govern everyone else, MS is an added element for us. I call it a struggle. It's about having to handle what MS gives us. Should we call it the MS condition then? Not MS in the way that MS, the disease MS, is a condition, but human existence while thriving despite an MS diagnosis. I've championed that fight, and I know you can too. Hey, it's Dave. Having lived with MS for so long, I never thought beating it would ever happen, but here I am. You may have a different view of it, but all MS patients experience emotions like fear, happiness, grief. We all cheer those little personal MS battles, those little wins we get, and then we fear that future we see that MS might hand us. You don't know how many times I field the question about MS progression. Am I gonna lose this ability? Am I gonna lose that ability? Am I gonna progress to secondary progressive? Where's the end? I can tell you. Don't lose sight of the ultimate goal. It is so easy to get sucked into being the victim mentally. Faced with despair and a lack of hope, that remyelination dream can seem farther and farther the more time that goes by. But it's still there, no matter how far along you are. You need to take some action. If you don't, you may neglect the very thing that gives you that direction and ultimately that escape. Don't forget it, no matter how pointless, draining, hopeless it may feel. It is what will restore your myelin. Little by little, ensuring that you remain focused on remyelination is the foundation of rising above the MS struggle. I promise you, it can happen for you. When we keep things bottled up inside, we can overthink things and become lost in hopelessness. Many times I have, but I've always been able to pull myself out. It's not hopeless. I promise you. Vocalize what you are feeling. You can tell me right down in the comments. You may feel awkward, but it's one of the best actions you can do for yourself. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.